The giant Karachaganak oil and gas condensate field is already associated with multi-billion-dollar investments, record levels of production, innovative technologies, and a large-scale social program. Today, Karachaganak supports thousands of jobs, directly or indirectly related to the field, the production facilities that meet global standards, sustainable development, and of course highly qualified personnel. Karachaganak Petroleum Operating BV is one of the largest employers in the West Kazakhstan region. KPO employees are distinguished by their high level of proficiency, their results-oriented performance, creativity, ability to learn and implement new thinking, and a strong commitment to corporate values. All of these factors have led to the successful development of Karachaganak, which is undoubtedly a flagship project for Kazakhstan's national economy. Thousands of skilled professionals are needed in order to develop and operate the Karachaganak field. Local personnel are the key to the company's success. KPO supports in every possible way all ROK governmental initiatives aimed at the development of dual education systems using existing professional resources and international best practices.
Our fruitful cooperation with the Republic of Kazakhstan allows us to fully align KPO production plans with government's objective, thus ensuring an efficient use of country's natural resources. The main priorities in our activity are the transfer of best available expertise and technology and to support West Kazakhstan's sustainability agenda. Karachaganak constantly requires a wide range of highly qualified specialists, from the petroleum engineers and environmental protection specialists, procurement and logistical professionals and accountants. Hence, our dual approach to professional education not only ensures the availability of qualified resources for KPO, but also enhances the intellectual and professional potential of the West Kazakh region on an enduring basis. KPO maximizes its effort towards the development of professional capabilities of local employees. Over the recent years, KPO has invested more than $178 million into education and development of Kazakhstani specialists, using the best international expertise, our own educational resources, and cooperating with famous Republic of Kazakhstan and overseas educational institutions.
On the order of the head of state, technical and occupational education in Kazakhstan is currently being rapidly modernized with respect to the needs of the Kazakh industry. In his message to the people of Kazakhstan, Kazakhstan's Roadmap 2050, a common goal, common interests and a common future, the head of state paid special attention to the development of the system of education and stressed the need to form the core of a national system of dual technical and occupational education in the coming years. A dual system of education implies the simultaneous provision of higher education and occupational on-site training. Such a system of education, as European experience has shown, is the result of close cooperation between educational institutions and employers, which successfully adapts future specialists to their role in the professional and social sense. Cooperation between Kazakhstan's universities and industry leaders, such as KPO, leads to the development of the skills required by production companies.
The Karachaganak field development is being carried out with respect to the priorities and objectives outlined by the government of the Republic of Kazakhstan. KPO annually invests millions of dollars in the professional development and technical training of local personnel. The company also provides extensive assistance in the organization of the on-the-job training of Kazakh university graduates and considers employment opportunities for some of them in future. A database of graduates from local educational institutions has been formed out and indicates their specialities and professional skills. This database is being constantly updated in KPO. In line with state policy, to support future specialists and implement dual educational system, KPO has invested and introduced a number of projects and initiatives, as a result of which Kazakh university graduates have unique experience in modern oil and gas industry facilities, which operate according to modern production practice and implements international standards.
KPO actively engages local professionals. This not only improves the production capacity of the company, but also promotes the more extensive development of the economic and intellectual potential of the West Kazakhstan region on a long-term basis. For many years, KPO has been working to attract Kazakh university graduates, ensuring their further professional growth and active participation in the development of the Karachagnak field in the long run. Technical training programs such as APITO enable graduates to acquire the skills required for the KPO production departments. The special theoretical and practical training and experience gained at the workplace helps young graduates contribute to the successful operation of the company.
Being a corporate citizen, KPO invests heavily in the professional growth of young specialists across the region. Continuing education programs for drilling supervisors from the ENI Corporate University, development programs for trilingual translators in the oil and gas industry, and many others are being implemented within dual education training programs for operators and technicians in compliance with APITO standards. For example, the APITO program for operator technicians is officially approved by the Ministry of Education of the Republic of Kazakhstan and is recommended for training purposes and provides subsequent job placement. Participants of all KPO programs pass a strict screening procedure, and during the recruitment process, priority is given to residents from West Kazakhstan. We have done a lot of work on the basis of this initiative. KPO personnel have held numerous meetings with teachers and students of West Kazakhstan universities in order to identify those who have the desire and ambition to start their career in KPO.
KPO has been successfully implementing the dual approach to education for many years. The basic principles of training for young specialists were identified more than 15 years ago. Nowadays, KPO offers two main forms of training for young Kazakh specialists: long-term and short-term training programs at the plant and occupational training programs at the KPO Training Center, where students study not only in classrooms, but also directly in the workplace. For example, since 2007, 26 graduates have been successfully employed in the KPO Well Operations Department on the basis of a joint training program for drilling supervisors. KPO, in conjunction with the NE Corporate University, have organized this program.
The development of Karachagnak will continue until 2038, so the ongoing advancement of high qualified and capable national workforce will remain a key priority. Continuous professional development of national specialists is a core focus for well operations. Our department is recruiting already experienced people, but at the same time is promoting the graduate development program to ensure knowledge and know-how transfer from expert to young growing local specialists. Moreover, we are bringing here the best international technical schools. For example, any corporate university program for drilling supervisor. This program was launched in 2007, and since then 26 young graduates have received the accreditation and now work for a well operation in KPO.
Training under the APITO program, aimed at educating technicians and operators, has been completed by 161 people since 2008. These people now work in the company's production departments. In addition, 32 young professionals are currently completing the practical part of the APITO program under the guidance of company experts. Earlier in 2014, Karachagnak Petroleum Operating BV announced the recruitment of candidates for an international training and development program for young professionals. The company was looking for candidates studying to work in two fields: oil and gas operators and mechanical technicians. Upon the successful completion of a test, 45 students were then selected for the training program, 30 operators and 15 mechanical technicians. And now these students have already started the program. All the participants were not only able to practically apply their skills, but also gain valuable experience, which they can use in the future. This was a great way to launch their career. The most important goal of all dual education programs is to train up young and talented Kazakh specialists in line with international standards. Upon the successful completion of the training program, all the participants are guaranteed employment in KPO.
Currently, I'm working at a transport organization, but this job doesn't match my speciality. I decided to pass a PITO test so I could then get a job more in line with my technical education. My ultimate goal is to develop my professional skills in the oil and gas industry and improve my professional skills. I could say that it's my dream to get a job at KPO.
KPO also provides programs for trainees from Kazakh universities. This initiative aims to improve the skills of young professionals. University and college students from the Republic of Kazakhstan are sought to create prospective employees that meet the needs of KPO. The company contributes to the training of these young professionals, actively cooperating with universities and exercising supervision over the students, up to the point where they are considered potential candidates for employment in KPO. Today, the training of the new generation of specialists who will help manage the Karachaganak field is a priority. Over a period of several years, KPO has implemented initiatives aimed at attracting graduates from Kazakh universities to work at KPO, ensuring their further professional growth and their active participation in the future development of the Karachaganak field.
I had a chance to continue my studies in the KPO Graduate Development Program. I successfully completed the theoretical part of my studies and was assigned to on-the-job training. Having successfully completed the program, I was employed by KPO and hope to achieve success in my professional career. I'm a graduate of the West Kazakhstan Technical University. In 2010, I started on-the-job training at KPO under the OPITO program. This program offers a great opportunity to every university graduate as it provides the chance to learn about the specifics of the production process at Karachaganak. After successful completion of my on-the-job training, I became a KPO employee. In my opinion, this program gives a good start for young graduates to launch their career.
According to the estimates of international experts, the KPO team has already achieved great results in recent years. The company has plans to further increase production in Karachaganak. New large-scale investments and the creation of new jobs are planned in the near future. As before, Kazakh specialists will take leading roles in this important task. The company strives to deliver sustainable development, socially conscious partnerships, the improvement of the local workforce, and as such, KPO is seeking to reach new production records for the benefit of the Republic of Kazakhstan and Karachaganak project partners.